Low drone of Highland bagpipes fades in, circular breathing, single sustained a note with subtle reverb, distant wind through mountain crags. Bodhran enters with soft mallet, one beat every 4 seconds, faint crystalline chimes, glass harmonica.
Bagpipes expand into a slow modal melody in the Dorian, each phrase lingers echoing. Bodhran rhythm becomes steady quarter notes, soft leather mallets, sub-bass rumble.
Pulses beneath like distant tectonic shift.
Bagpipe melody ascends, tension builds a single high harmonic from about. Sultry enters, wind intensifies slightly.
Echoes of ancient runes glowing faintly on stone walls. Full bagpipe drones swells, melody repeats with bodhran doubles, tempo to 8th notes, still soft layered vocal hum.
Rise from distance,
Chimes return in cascading gradients.
bagpipes drop to single line, melody becomes more fragmented. Bodhran returns to steady pulse, dripping water recorded in limestone caves.
Faint breath like wind through narrow tunnel. Melody returns stronger, harmonized in parallel fists. Bodhran rolls in triplets, choir hums return slightly louder. Sub-bass now pulses in sync with drum.
Bagpipes fade,
Only bodhran and water remain. A low Gaelic chant begins whisper, and teeter skill fire and teeter skill creoles. Chimes play a descending pattern.
bagpipes return, now in lower register, melody inverted, a mirror of earlier theme. Stone creaks subtly as if mountain shifts, distant roar heavily reverb, barely audible.
Full ensemble return.
Choir now laid with female alto.
Bodhran rolls into a slow crescendo.
Bagpipe
Drone swell,
harmonic shimmer.
all elements slowly fade. Only single bagpipe drone remain.
Wind returns,
Chimes play a descending pattern.
bagpipes return, now in lower register, melody inverted, a mirror of earlier theme. Stone creaks subtly as if mountain shifts, distant roar heavily reverb, barely audible.
Full ensemble return. 45 minutes. Micro variations in pitch via thermal fluctuation algorithm. Every 20 minutes, common Creona. Randomized glass chimes triggered by simulated dragon breath. Over 30 minutes, all sound recedes.
Last sound.
A single water drop, sustained with reverb tail looping for remaining duration. No new events for final 30 minutes, only end decay. Act 2 feaster. Low drone of Highland bagpipes fades in. Circular breathing, single sustained a note with subtle reverb. Distant wind through mountain cracks. Bodhran enters with soft mallet. One beat every 4 seconds. Faint crystalline chimes. Glass harmonica.
Bagpipes expand into a slow modal melody in the Dorian. Each phrase lingers.
Glass harmonica. Low drone of Highland bagpipes fades in. Circular breathing, single sustained a note with subtle reverb. Distant wind through mountain cracks. Bodhran enters with soft mallet. One beat every 4 seconds. Faint crystalline chimes. Glass harmonica.
Bagpipes expand into a slow modal melody in the Dorian. Each phrase linger. Chime.
Low drone of Highland bagpipes fades in. Circular breathing, single sustained a note with subtle reverb. Distant wind through mountain cracks. Bodhran enters with soft mallet. One beat every 4 seconds. Faint crystalline chimes. Glass harmonica.
Bagpipes expand into a slow modal melody in the Dorian, each phrase lingers.
Low drone of Highland bagpipes fades in, circular breathing, single sustained a note with subtle reverb, distant wind through mountain crags. Bodhran enters with soft mallet, one beat every 4 seconds, faint crystalline chimes, glass harmonica.
Bagpipes expand into a slow modal melody in the Dorian, each phrase lingers.
Low drone of Highland bagpipes fades in, circular breathing, single sustained a note with subtle reverb, distant wind through mountain crags. Bodhran enters with soft mallet, one beat every 4 seconds, faint crystalline chimes, glass harmonica.
Bagpipes expand into a slow modal melody